Hi, my name's Zach. We wouldn't recommend seeing fleet management as an either-or situation. When employees start using their personal vehicles for work, when businesses add reimbursement models into the mix, it requires fleet managers to level up their roles. It isn't about choosing between your fleet of company cars or a vehicle reimbursement program. It's about complementing your fleet. It's about supplementing your fleet with a new, smart, flexible, and cost-effective strategy. The fleet manager manages fleet vehicles, controls the costs, and keeps mobile employees on the road. But there are always challenges. Rising fixed costs, the challenge of tracking personal use, and mileage logs. But that's where a FAVR program can help. FAVR stands for Fixed and Variable Rate Reimbursement. It's designed to work alongside your fleet, not replace it. Think of it as a tool in your toolbox. For those employees who wouldn't necessarily need a company car, like sales reps, for example, a FAVR plan can cover their business mileage with a tax-free reimbursement. It's all aligned with the IRS. It adjusts for variable costs like gas and fixed costs like insurance premiums, all while saving your company huge money. And the best part, it keeps your employees happy. I mean, who wouldn't want to drive their own vehicle for work? And from the folks that we've spoken to, the reimbursement kind of feels like an additional paycheck. FAVR follows all the IRS rules for tax-free status. It's not seen as an income, so there are no deductions. It's also the only reimbursement program that allows you to reimburse above the IRS standard rate. So those reimbursements can be quite generous. Now, for those of you thinking, what about compliance? What about tracking mileage rates and business use in real time? That's where technology steps in. Tools like mileage tracking apps integrate seamlessly with systems like SAP Concur, making mileage reimbursement simple and accurate, so you're not stuck in the weeds. Instead, fleet managers can focus on the big picture, strategic decisions, cost savings, keeping your mobile workforce running smoothly on the roads. So what's the takeaway here? By integrating a reimbursement solution like FAVR, you can reduce fleet costs, improve efficiencies, and make life easier for both you and your employees. At the end of the day, we're here to partner with you, not work against you. So let's rethink fleet management together. Thanks for watching.